Hello YouTube. This video is about fixing the vertical chute deflector on a Troy-Bilt Storm 8526. I think this will apply to some MTD models as well. Unfortunately, I didn't take a specific before video to show you what exactly was going on. Try and explain what was going on. This chute deflector, when you move the handle, had a very hard time moving up and down like it should. And so there are 3 bolts that you need to remove to take this off. One's here, there's another one that's right here in this hole, and there's a third one right here. You take those off, this now comes up. What was happening is that there was some interference between this part of the deflector and this part. So what you need to do is look inside your chute when you take this off, and you'll see some wear patterns. In my case, you'll see this band right here. Okay, right here on this side, a little bit in the middle, and right here. Right there. So what that means is that this piece is rubbing with this, and as best I could figure, there was some extra molded material from when this came from the factory, or just because of the hot and cold environment that this is in, from summer to winter, the plastic had deflected and was rubbing against this vertical piece. So what I did was I just took a sander and I sanded down this whole top edge all along here. You can kind of see it. Not the prettiest, but it'll work. All right. You take some material down, which increases the clearance between this and that deflector. And now I'll pause the video and put it back together again, and I'll show you how it works now. Okay, so as I mentioned, there's 3 bolts that remove this part of the deflector. There's one on this side, there's one down here, and a third that's right there. So you take those off and this whole thing will come off. But like I mentioned, I sanded down, and now you can see that there's actually clearance between this upper part and the lower part, so that now when I move the handle, it's smooth. I'll post a link to a video that I recorded of this machine a couple of years back when I first serviced it. And I'll show you, if you pay attention to the chute, you'll see that it kind of wobbles and deflects as you try to move it up and down. All that's gone. It's now nice and smooth. Works really well. The other thing I should point out, and I got to credit Donny Boy 73 for this, is see if I can get a shot of it. You put a bolt through here. Let me see if I can move this over a bit. You put a bolt through here, and it makes it so that this will always move when you turn the handle, because what was happening was there's a plastic piece in here that meets up with this, and it was slipping inside there. So by putting this bolt there, you make it so that there's no possibility of it slipping. So when the handle moves, this absolutely will move as well. All right, I hope this helps you guys out, and have a good day.